From a very bullish update for Dogecoin coming from Robinhood and major banks adopting cryptos to all the latest updates and data, there is a lot to talk about in this video, so let's talk about it. So Robinhood has just announced that it is now replacing its current debit card offering with a cash card. And the best thing is that it will come with a variety of new investing and rewards features, including the ability to acquire cryptos like Doge and Bitcoin. According to a Robinhood survey, the new card is tailored to the sentiments of Gen Z, who have an aversion to credit cards compared to earlier generations. To that end, the cash card aims to offer credit card-style rewards with a debit card that comes with no interest or fees. One notable feature of the card is that Robinhood users will be able to round up their purchases to the nearest dollar, with the surplus change going into investments in stocks or crypto. And those who choose to do this will receive a weekly bonus from Robinhood worth up to $10. Moreover, users of the new card will also be able to arrange for their paychecks to be deposited into separate accounts in the country, including one for crypto. And right after this official announcement, Robinhood CPO Aparna Chennapragada revealed that the new cash card is part of the company's strategy of creating embedded crypto products. She said that the idea is to turn non-crypto natives onto Bitcoin and other tokens by building them into activities with which they are already familiar and by offering familiar interfaces. So this is indeed a huge gift from Robinhood for Doge and its holders, as this development can really drive the adoption of Doge and others to new highs. The point is that the card's big new feature is the option for users to automatically invest in assets like stocks and crypto when spending money. Robinhood will round up transactions made using the card to the nearest dollar and use that extra money to buy assets chosen by the user. So what it means is that Robinhood is making it easier for its users to trade cryptos, and this is definitely going to help cryptos like Doge, which are listed on the platform. The other thing is that Robinhood is eyeing to attract newcomers to cryptos. So this is also very positive, as many new investors will get exposure to Dogecoin. And there is a reason why I'm saying that this new cash card is more positive for Dogecoin. So we can see here that Robinhood now holds over 1/3 of the total Dogecoin amount in circulation on behalf of its investors. The company is currently holding about $5 billion worth of Dogecoin. That constitutes 42 billion coins, and this is more than 31% of the total Doge supply in circulation. Moreover, Robinhood is storing that many Dogecoins on 2 crypto wallets, using 8 known addresses. It is holding Dogecoin on behalf of its customers. So this is a critical development, as it is showing us that the majority of Doge holders are now trading on Robinhood, and Doge trading is outperforming other cryptos on the platform. So this is exactly why I think that this new cash card program by Robinhood is going to benefit Doge more than others. It is clear that there are already many Doge holders on the platform. While they will be reaping the benefits of this new feature, it is expected that newcomers will also prefer Doge on the trading platform. Besides, another important thing for Dogecoin is that Robinhood is going to come up with some massive new features this year. And these projects are expected to help Doge gain some momentum in terms of price and adoption over the long term. A very positive thing for Dogecoin is that Robinhood has also announced that it is going to expand its crypto offerings. Robinhood has announced that it has set some aggressive targets for opening up its crypto platform to clients worldwide in 2022. So because Dogecoin is already quite popular on Robinhood, if the trading platform goes global, more users will join and new investors would flock to Dogecoin. Similarly, we also know that the Robinhood Wallets program has recently entered the beta phase. Interestingly, the waiting list for these wallets, which can be used to store, purchase, and sell Dogecoin, has grown to over 2 million people in a relatively short period of time. As a result, I believe that the spike in interest in crypto wallets will be very beneficial to Dogecoin. This is because we know that many of Robinhood's customers like Dogecoin, so they will also use Doge with these wallets. Most significantly, holders will be able to exchange assets on decentralized exchanges and participate in a variety of decentralized finance applications. So as we have just seen that Robinhood is going to come with some very important and bullish projects. And as I said, when Robinhood officially launches all these projects, more users and investors will get exposure to Dogecoin. All in all, this is going to favor Dogecoin and its holders in the long term. From rising its adoption to helping in the growth of its prices, this is very bullish news for Doge. And with that being said, let's come to Dogecoin's current price movements. So Doge has been gaining some momentum during the last 24 hours, and we can see here that it has managed to shed off some of its recent losses. Now the good thing for Doge is that it is now moving above its crucial moving averages, including 20-day simple and exponential moving averages. Besides, its MACD level and the daily RSI value are also sitting in the bullish zone, indicating that the overall sentiment has turned bullish for Doge. So this is very positive for Doge, and the most important thing is that we may now see it going past the resistance level of 16 cents. And with that being said, let's come to Bitcoin for a minute. So Bitcoin is also looking good right now as it has managed to trade above the 42K price level during the last 24 hours. We can see here that it has been moving above its important moving averages, while its RSI value and the MACD level are also looking very bullish. Meanwhile, we are now seeing that bulls have taken control of the Bitcoin market and they are moving its price to the upside. On the upside, the price is facing resistance near the 43K level, and the 100 hourly simple moving average is also near the triangle resistance in the 43K level. And since everything is currently looking bullish for Bitcoin, it is expected that it can clear the 43K resistance level from here. All in all, any more gains could initiate a fresh move towards the key 46K barrier in the near term. Now, another important thing is that on-chain data is showing us that the Bitcoin open interest has once again risen to high values, and it is suggesting that a liquidation squeeze may be near for the crypto. As pointed out by an analyst in the Crypto Quant post, leverage has increased in the Bitcoin market over the past week as the open interest has risen to high values again. For those who don't know, when the value of this metric rises up, it means more futures contracts are opening up on exchanges. So this leads to a higher amount of leverage in the market and can cause more price gains in the short term. We saw last week that there was a higher amount of leverage in the market, and this helped Bitcoin's price to move above the 40K level. So we can expect another move to the upside from here. And now, let's come to this massive price prediction for Bitcoin. So Pantera Capital CEO Dan Morehead believes that widespread acceptance might push the price of Bitcoin to 400K in 3 years. He is saying that every 2 years, 10 times as many individuals use cryptos as they did previously, and this has been the case for the past decade. It is 10 times more every 2 years, and the price of cryptos has increased by tenfold every 2 years. In his opinion, within the next 5 to 10 years, nearly everyone with a smartphone will be using cryptos, and if that's the case, they'll be considerably more expensive. Seeing this, Morehead has predicted that this would propel the price of Bitcoin to 400K by 2025. And now if we come to Ethereum, we are seeing that it has been trading around the 3K price level during the last 24 hours. Moreover, it has found support above the moving averages, and it appears that a breakout above the recent high will push it to the high of 3.2K. Now another catalyst that can help Ethereum to move to the upside is its growing burning rate. We are now seeing that since the August 5 introduction of EIP 1559, Ethereum has destroyed approximately 2 million ETH, and the amount of Ethereum burn is equivalent to about $5.8 billion. So this is bullish news for Ethereum, as this growing burning rate is making it a deflationary currency. And now let's come to some important crypto updates. So it appears that Honduras might be the next nation to formally recognize Bitcoin as legal tender, following El Salvador. The country's president, Xiomara Castro, has reportedly said that El Salvador shouldn't be the only country escaping dollar hegemony. So this is massive news for Bitcoin, as another country appears to be accepting it as a legal tender. And another huge news for cryptos is that Bridgewater Associates is preparing to back its first crypto fund. The world's largest hedge fund, founded by Ray Dalio, is planning to back an external vehicle based on cryptos. So this is positive news, as it is the clearest signal to date that the world's largest hedge fund, currently with $150 billion in assets under management, is taking crypto seriously as an asset class. And now coming back to Dogecoin, we have just seen that Robinhood's Cash Card program is going to surge the adoption and price of Doge in the long term. Besides, we have also seen some very positive updates in data for it, So it appears that things are now nicely shaping up for it, and we may see some bullish moves from it in the coming days. Besides, we have also seen some very positive updates for it and the overall crypto market. So seeing this, I think that Doge is going to continue its uptrend in the coming days as well.